Best toaster ovens. Finding the best toaster ovens right now is honestly overwhelming. There's so many options, and half of them just burn your toast or take up too much counter space. I bought and tested the 5 most popular models on the market right now, so you don't waste your money. Let's see which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, Black & Decker Crisp & Bake Air Fry Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Starting with the Black & Decker Crisp & Bake, the first thing I noticed out of the box was how compact it feels for a convection oven. It has a nice stainless steel finish that didn't leave a ton of fingerprints when I was moving it around my kitchen. When I actually started cooking with it, I was surprised by the air fry function. I threw in some frozen fries, and the 5-in-1 setup handled them beautifully without needing a separate, clunky appliance. It comfortably fits a 9-inch pizza, which was perfect for a quick dinner, though the 4-slice toast capacity is a bit tight if you're feeding a family. If you're single or just have a smaller kitchen but still want air frying capabilities, this is a solid pick. Moving up to something with a bit more elbow room, the next model completely changes the door design.
Product number 2, Gourmia French Door Air Fryer 25-quart large capacity convection oven. The Gourmia French Door Air Fryer is an absolute monster, and opening those dual doors for the first time felt really premium. It looks like a mini commercial oven sitting on my counter. When I started testing its performance, the Fry-Force 360-degree tech really showed off. I loaded up the massive 25-quart interior with a whole 12-inch pizza, and it baked evenly across the board. The digital display is super intuitive, and I loved messing around with the 17 different cooking presets. I even tried dehydrating some apple slices, and they turned out great. The sheer size of this thing means it takes up a good chunk of space, but it's totally worth it. If you have a big family and want to replace your main oven for most meals, grab this one. Now, if you want something that balances size and raw cooking power a little differently.
Product number 3, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven TOA 70 NAS. Getting my hands on the Cuisinart TOA 70 NAS, the build quality immediately stood out. The stainless steel feels incredibly sturdy, and the analog dials give it a really nice retro vibe compared to all the digital screens out there today. I fired this 1800-watt machine up to test the air fryer, and it runs surprisingly hot and fast. I had to keep an eye on my chicken wings so they didn't overcook, but once I got the hang of the timing, the crunch was unbelievable. With 8 different functions and a 60-minute timer, it's super versatile, even though the 0.6 cubic foot interior is definitely geared toward medium-sized batches. If you value build quality and want serious, fast heating power without complicated menus, this Cuisinart is definitely the way to go. For those who want maximum versatility and a ton of accessories right out of the box, let's look at a competitor. Product number 4 is the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Pulling the Emeril Lagasse French Door combo out of its packaging, I was honestly blown away by how much stuff comes with it. The stainless steel finish is gorgeous, but having 7 different accessories included right out of the gate is what really caught my attention. I tested a bunch of its 24 cooking functions, and having that massive 26-quart capacity meant I could roast a whole chicken with room to spare. The digital controls are easy to read, and it handles everything from basic toasting to complex air frying without breaking a sweat. It does take a minute to figure out which accessory goes with which function, but the results are fantastic. If you want an all-in-one powerhouse that basically replaces half your kitchen appliances, this is exactly what you need. Finally, let's dial things back to basics for anyone looking for something simple and cheap. Product number 5, Black & Decker TO 1313 SBD Toaster Oven. I bought the Black & Decker TO 1313 SBD specifically to see how a classic, budget-friendly option holds up against the heavy hitters. Holding this one, it's incredibly light and straightforward. It's just over 15 inches wide, so it tucks into basically any corner of my counter without a problem. When I tested it for my morning routine, it did exactly what I needed it to do. It toasts bread evenly and warms up leftovers without turning them to rubber in the microwave. It doesn't have air frying or fancy digital presets, but the simple dial controls are completely foolproof. It gets hot fast and gets the job done. So, whether you want a massive French door setup or just a simple budget toaster, one of these will definitely fit your kitchen. I've put links to all the current prices for these models down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.